Tesla arson suspect pleads guilty, faces prison. A Las Vegas man has pleaded guilty to federal arson charges tied to a March 2025 attack on a Tesla collision center in Nevada. The update was announced by the USA Attorney's Office for the District of Nevada. According to court documents, on March 18, 2025, Paul Hyun Kim spray-painted the word "resist" on the front entrance of the Tesla collision center before damaging the facility and multiple vehicles. Federal prosecutors stated that Kim used a PA-15 multi-caliber firearm equipped with a .300 blackout upper receiver and a 7.62 mm silencer to shoot out surveillance cameras. He then fired multiple rounds into Tesla vehicles on the property. Authorities stated that Kim later threw 3 Molotov cocktails into 3 separate Tesla vehicles. 2 of the devices exploded and ignited the vehicles, while a third did not detonate. In total, 5 Tesla vehicles were damaged in the incident. Kim pleaded guilty to 2 counts of arson of property used in interstate commerce, 1 count of attempted arson of property used in interstate commerce, and 1 count of unlawful possession of an unregistered firearm classified as a destructive device. The mandatory minimum sentence for the charges is 5 years in federal prison, though the total maximum statutory penalty is 70 years. As per a release from the United States Attorney's Office of the District of Nevada, sentencing is scheduled for May 27, 2026, before USA District Judge Jennifer A. Dorsey. A federal judge will determine the final sentence after considering the USA's sentencing guidelines and other statutory factors. The case was investigated by the FBI, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives, and the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, with assistance from the Clark County Fire Department. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.